Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you the most powerful feature in Logseq, and it will change the way you take notes forever. Normally when you link between pages, you use double square brackets to create a link to that page. But what if you want a specific piece of information from another page to appear right here? That's where block references come in. First, let's go to a page that has a key piece of information. On my Project Phoenix page, I have this very important goal written down. To get a reference to this specific block, I just right-click on its bullet point and select Copy Block Ref. Now, I'll go to a different page, like today's meeting notes. I want to reference that project goal right here in the meeting. I simply paste. You'll see this string of numbers and letters inside double parentheses. Now, watch what happens when I click out of the block. Boom! The original text appears, perfectly embedded. It's not a copy, it's a live mirror of the original block. But here is the real magic. Let's go back to the original Project Phoenix page and change the goal. I'll update the number from 1000 to 2500. Now let's check our meeting notes again. Look, it has updated automatically. You never have to worry about your information being out of date again. This is the power of block references. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.